It's another beautiful day in the city of, I was gonna say the city of Thailand. I'm not even in Thailand yet. Still in Vietnam. Another beautiful day in the beautiful city of Da Nang here in Vietnam. We're gonna go out and explore. We need to get some money, and we're just gonna see what else is happening now. It's super hot now because it's like 1:30. It's probably 30, 40, 45 degrees, 40, 45 degrees. No, it's more like 30, 35 degrees. More than 30, probably close. 33 or 35 anyway. It is summer, obviously. I have to be realistic, but let's go out and explore. This is my dirty hotel room, so I'm not going to show it. Go see what there is to see. So we have procured refreshment. Not great refreshment. I wanted water, but for some reason they don't have cold water in some of the Vinmarts, which is like the little, what would you call it, a little 7-Eleven family mart in this country. They don't have cold water, so you have to end up getting Coke. But this is for some reason smaller Coke, not smaller Coke, less sugar Coke. That's besides the point. We're next to the Khao Rong, the Dragon Bridge, as they call it in English, or Khao Rong. I'm probably not pronouncing it right. This is where they have the night market, but yeah. So we've procured money. It is very hot. This is where the night market is. There's not really anything to see now because it's the day. So we're gonna go look for something interesting. So no cars can go through this in the nighttime, but yeah, let's go see. And then my favorite tower is over there. You can see it just about. That's where I'm gonna live. I'm gonna buy my penthouse apartment up there. Once I become famous on YouTube, have 10,000 subscribers. I would need probably at least 100,000 to do that. So we might go this way and have a look. I'm not showing myself because I'm a sweaty mess now. After walking around for a bit. For some reason the first ATM I went to didn't have any didn't have any money. So yeah. And then we looked in an electronics shop just for a bit of fun. I'm scared this is gonna overheat now, but anyway, yeah, this is where the night market is. Not much to see now, so let's go. Just got an interesting soda drink here. It was basically Sprite or 7-Up or something, and then they put some juice thing in it. Not what I was looking for. I was looking for cold water. I even said in Vietnamese, Nuc Lan, but they didn't have. So we keep going. I saw some very sad looking chickens back there. Looked like they were very hot and uncomfortable, but this is nice. Poor things. Okay, so we keep going. We'll go show you the bridge and the river a little bit, since we're right next to it. So let's go. DDD. What a disgrace. Subway in Vietnam, the land of banh mi's. But you have a beautiful thing here. Yeah, so there it is. Great. Well, since I was very close by, I should show the is it still rolling? Hopefully so. So this is the Khao Rong, the Dragon Bridge, very famous landmark of the city. I've done a video walking across it before. Right, I think I got cut off what I was saying. So this is the Dragon Bridge anyway. And right next to it was the subway, which I thought was terrible. They shouldn't have subway in Vietnam, the land of banh mi. They're well known for their sandwiches, so why would you make a sandwich shop here? It was very small. I can't imagine they'll do very well. Much like McDonald's doesn't do well in this country. But anyway, I'd show a little bit of it. I did a video years ago walking across it, so maybe I'll do it again. But it's a lot further walking than you think. I'm used to riding across it on a motorbike. It takes like 2 minutes. But it's like, God, I'm trying to think how long it takes to walk across it. Yeah, there's a lot of like empty stuff in Da Nang at the moment. Tourism is just coming back. There's a lot of local tourists, and you see the odd tour group of who are they? Koreans mostly. Obviously China's a basket case at the moment. I mean, what the hell are they doing? Yeah, so there's that. And then yeah, but the local tourism's doing okay, so they're actually all right at the moment. Once the winter hits and when they're more reliant on Western tourists, I've seen handfuls. In my flight from last week from Bangkok was almost empty, and I think that's one of the big ways people will come to Vietnam. I might go down the other way, because even just went some little street behind the road here, you see some more interesting stuff, because on the front it's all aimed towards tourism and everything's more expensive. You just went one street behind here, and it was quite interesting actually. But yeah, you don't want to see my sweaty ugly face at the moment. But yeah, so I've noticed a lot of things have closed down in the nearly 3 years since I've been here. But yeah, things are picking up again. Good country. You don't have to wear masks inside. You will see some people wearing masks, but basically not very many. And coming into the country was easy. It was easier than Thailand. You had to buy insurance, you had to have a travel pass. Vietnam, you didn't need any of that, so it's good. Come here, support the country, come to Da Nang, beautiful city. Get a little bit of touristy stuff, but not too touristy. Yeah, and the prices are still good for everything. Now the dong has been a bit stronger, but you can get nice hotels all over, so yeah, come here. Alright, so that was our exploration. I'm going back to the hotel, which is just around the corner. There's a nice fake Family Mart. I was going to get some Nuke Mia, but I couldn't. I thought there was one right next to the hotel, just further back, but yeah, I'll make a separate one. I'm getting that and something else. So yeah, so stay posted. There'll be a couple more videos left. I'm only here a few more days, and then there might be some in Thailand. And then that's it for a while, until my next trip. Bye bye. A successful sweaty journey has been completed. Now I'm back to the hotel. Time for probably a shower, and then we'll go out for some food later. Maybe I'll show it. Who knows? But stay tuned, subscribe. I haven't decided which channel yet, but it'll be on one of them. Bye bye.